Hi class, today we are in Saxon Math Book 4, Lesson 93, and today we are going to be estimating multiplication and division answers. I love estimation, and I'm sure that you will too, because the whole point of using estimation is to take a problem and make it so easy that you can do it in your head. So we're going to practice doing that today. Our first example says Luke multiplied 43 by 29, and he got 203. Is Luke's answer reasonable? So here's what we're going to do. We want to do this in our head. So we're going to round 43 to 40. We're going to round 29 to 30. And then we're going to multiply here. We're going to say 4 times 3. Well, that's 12. And 2 zeros. Yikes. This is pretty far off from what Luke got. So is Luke's answer reasonable? No, it's not even close. We can look at something like that and say, oh gosh, 203's got to be wrong because I know my answer is going to be somewhere near 1,200. That's what estimating to multiply and divide is all about. You can kind of check your answers and at the very least check and say, is this close to the answer? It could be. Example 2 says estimate the product of 38 and 53. In order to answer this type of question, you need to know that product means the answer to a multiplication problem. So we are estimating the product, which means we need to round. 38 rounds to 40. 53 rounds to 50. So now we've made it super easy to do in our head. 4 times 5 is 20, plus I need to tack on 2 zeros. So 38 times 53 is approximately 2,000. Example 3. Here we're going to get into division. It says estimate the quotient of 1,845 divided by 6. So when we're doing quotients, when we're dividing, we want to make sure we're using compatible numbers. So here, I'm not necessarily going to round it to 2,000 or to 1,850. I want to find a number that I know I can divide by 6. So I might even count by 6s to start. 6, 12, 18. Hey, I see an 18 here. So I'm going to take this number and turn it into 1,800. Because I know when I divide by 6, 6 goes into 18 3 times. It goes in evenly. So I don't even have to do any of that multiplying and subtracting stuff here because the rest of these are zeros. So that means the rest of my answer is going to be zeros. So 1,845 divided by 6 is approximately 300. All right, I have the lesson practice problems up on the board behind me. I want you to give them a try on your own first. So put me on pause. Remember, we're not actually multiplying those numbers or dividing those numbers. You are estimating. So you want to round first to make it easy to do in your head. Put me on pause, give them a try. Come on back when you're ready to see the answers. All right, here we're going to round 58 to 60. And you know what? Instead of having an equal sign there, I'm going to teach you some new notation. If I make a squiggly equal sign, that means approximately. So 58 times 23 is approximately equal to 60 times 20. See how I rounded each of my numbers? And then 6 times 2 is 12. And I have 1, 2 zeros, so I need 1, 2 zeros in my answer for 1200. Here, I'll change it again so that we have approximately equal. 49 will round to 50. 51 will also round to 50. Here we have 5 times 5 is 25. 1, 2 zeros, 1, 2 zeros. 2,500 is my answer. Here, we're going to round first. 61 is going to round to 60. 38 will round up to 40. 6 times 4 is 24. 1, 2 zeros, 1, 2 zeros. 2,400. And my final problem here, I need to find a number that I know can divide by 9. So 9, 18, hey there, I've got an 18 here. So let's make that approximately equal to 1,800 divided by 9. 9 goes into 18 twice, evenly, no need to show my work down here. 0, 0, my answer will be 200. That is the end of today's lesson. Your written practice begins on page 593 of your textbook. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.